it's going. Welcome back to the channel.
So today we're gonna lay brick at the back, above the lower roof. I have lots of DIY tips to share with you guys today. How to cut a brick using your chopping hammer, and a lot of tips as we go along. Try and watch the video to the end. Sure you will get something from it. So here we are installing our sill. Bear in mind you want to always leave a space underneath the bottom of the window, just in case they want to remove it later on. They don't have to break the sill in order to get the window out. So now guys, we gotta check for our slope. Make sure we have a fair amount of slope. One. So guys, I wasn't recording from the start of this back piece here because it was late last night. It was a bit dark when I started it, and it was raining. I didn't want to damage my camera as well. We're just measuring to see what we have to work with in order to reach for. Zero one. So we gotta work 0 1. And then we gotta just mark it. Center 0 and 1. That's how you get 0 1. The reason why I keep repeating it in throughout my video, I have bricklayers that came out here who don't know where on the tape you find 0 1. So I'm just putting it out there for all you guys who don't know how to find 0 1 on the tape. I hope I'm not being annoying by repeating the same thing over and over. But some people it's more harder to learn than some, so I thought I repeat it so that it may stick in your ears. That way you retain it more. So you wanna start your paper 6 inches beneath where the last brick is. So at least 6 inches from where the brick is, that's where it's telling you that you need to put more paper. You don't want to go up here. A lot of guys put one more brick up here and then they put the paper. That's not enough. At least 6 inches beneath the brick, that's where you should put it. Okay, I always say it in my opinion, which is the right way. I'm not even going to say my opinion. That's requirement. And on this job here, it's not my choice to go with the black paper. It's the homeowner. They already bought the black paper before I came here, and I suggest why not get Tyvek. they decide that they already purchased this paper, so they're just gonna go ahead with it. So fine. Their choice. So work with it. Now, if it was my house, I would rather go with it. I would rather go with Tyvek. So I would recommend you to go with Tyvek. It still works. It still does the same thing. A lot of people think Tyvek is more durable. What do you think? You think Tyvek? What do you guys think about the tar paper and the Tyvek? What's the difference you think? Leave a comment down in the bottom there. I'm sure my viewers would like to know. And I would like to know you guys' opinion as well on it. So see here, I bend the brick ties. So I'm going to put it right here. So that whenever I come up with my octagon, the header that's going to go here, going to tie into this, going to tie onto the brick tie that I just put there. Rub it down like this and plan to catch it. This same mortar is the mortar that we're going to use to butter this one, just like that. Use the same one to butter this one. So there is several ways to cut a brick. I want to explain to you guys my way of cutting a brick, and it works for me. So if you want to try it and see. So I have lots of bricklayer that came out here and worked for me, and the way how they cut a brick is in my opinion is wrong. They're putting too many force on the hammer, and that way it's gonna shatter the brick. For instance, I'm gonna show you right now. This is the way they cut it. That brick shatter because you put in too many force on it. You want to tap the end, which is right here. Tap there, spin it again, tap this side, just like so. Two snap you give it and it break. I'm going to do it again. One tap, spin it, another one. That's it. If you put too many, a lot of guys hold the hammer here as well in the center. You want to hold the hammer down here and you want to basically use the weight of the head of the hammer to cut the brick, just like so. See, it's already broken. I hope that helps. If you have a better way of doing it, leave a comment down in the bottom there. We would love to hear from you. So basically all I want to try and put the brick down without touching the line. Try not to touch the line. Once you're rubbing it down, you just cut like this. Guys, now this time you need to put paper here. You don't want to go no higher than that. You need to put brick ties and paper. chip at the back here, as you see. I'm not gonna use it. Try and keep your trowel clean at all times. This way the mortar drag more easy when you drag it like this. Drag when you have a clean trowel, way more easier. So this is how much I took up at once. Now we're gonna drag it first. You wanna drag one, and you drag like this. Maintain a clean cavity space as you go. Remember, we want to put it down without touching the line. Boom. Take this one up. We're going to use the same mortar that we catch to butter our brick as we go. Remember, the same one that's here. This is what we're going to use to butter our brick. Okay, we're gonna do some joints now, guys. Let's do a bit of joint. That's it for now, guys. I'm gonna cut it short. Hope you learned something from this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.